It's 1993 at a bustling network marketing conference in Las Vegas. Eric Worre, standing amid 5,000 energized attendees, has a sudden jolt. He's not just at an event, he's witnessing his future. Right there, amid the cheers and flashing lights, that moment crystallizes into a decision. It's time to go pro. But what does going pro really mean? And how do you leap from hopeful beginner to unstoppable network marketing force? That's exactly where this story begins. Before Eric could grow a massive team or teach tens of thousands, he had to rewire his brain. The biggest hurdle wasn't the tools or tactics, it was mindset. Here's how changing his mental game turned the tide. At that 1993 Vegas convention, Eric recalls hearing a top leader say, "You don't have a network marketing problem, you have a professional problem." That hit like a lightning bolt. He realized that success wasn't about luck or product. It was about mastering skills and acting like a true professional every day. Think of your mindset like the lens on a camera. A blurry or cracked lens distorts the image, just like limiting beliefs warp your business view. Sharpen your lens by adopting a pro's mindset, clear focus, intentional actions, and relentless commitment, so every move captures what success really looks like. Once Eric adopted this pro mindset, everything changed. He started showing up differently, prepared, focused, confident. That shift turned uncertain attempts into consistent wins. The surprising insight: going pro isn't a skill set, it's a daily decision to act beyond your comfort zone. Eric didn't leave his success to chance. He mapped out the blueprint, 7 concrete steps that separate hobbyists from high-level pros. Let's unpack 3 of his most powerful moves. Eric's first leap was spending time with proven pros like Mark Yarnell. Watching Mark didn't just inspire Eric, it gave him a pattern for calls, presentations, and recruiting. That hands-on modeling accelerated Eric's growth faster than any seminar or book ever could. Imagine trying to sell someone a ticket by lecturing them on why they have to attend. It feels pushy, right? Eric shows that real pros invite by asking open-ended questions, creating curiosity without pressure. It's like planting a seed you know will grow naturally rather than forcing it. One of Eric's signature rules: never take no as the final answer until you've asked all the right follow-up questions. Persistence isn't pestering, it's respect. When you follow up with empathy and clarity, you transform hesitant maybes into decisive yes or no answers, freeing your energy for new prospects. Going pro isn't a weekend workshop or a checklist, it's a lifestyle. Eric's final revelation: it's all about daily habits and rituals that keep your momentum unstoppable. Eric's credo became do the activity, get the results. He counts prospecting calls, invites, and presentations daily, not just when feeling motivated. At first, the routine felt robotic. But over time, hitting his daily numbers built unstoppable momentum, like compounding interest for his business. Many fear scripts sound fake, but Eric reframes them as safety nets. Think of it like a jazz musician scales. Scripts give you solid rhythm and structure, freeing you to improvise authentically while staying persuasive and clear with your message. One night after a tough week, Eric shared a victory story of a small yes from a hesitant prospect. Celebrating that tiny win rekindled his energy and confidence, reminding him that pro-level success is a marathon powered by dozens of little wins, not a single giant leap. Remember that moment in Vegas? Eric's choice to go pro wasn't just a fancy term, it was a full reboot of how he thought, worked, and lived every day. Now it's your turn. Start by picking one daily habit from the 7 steps and commit. A single phone call or a well-crafted invite can pivot your entire journey. Go pro isn't a dream, it's the next move you make. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.